In this video, I'm going to show you how to switch between accounts on Discord. The first thing to do is come here to the bottom left corner. Right here where you see your name, you click on it. Now you have switch accounts. Once you point to switch accounts, you're going to see the accounts you have with Discord. Here I have Go Switchable, here I have this also, which is the active one. And what you want to do is either click on this to go to this account, or you can click on manage accounts. Now from here you can just click on switch. This is the active account. So of course, if you want to switch, this is one you want to switch to. Or you can click add account to add an extra account. Maybe you have a third account or a fourth account, whatever it is, you can just click on add account to do that. And if I click on switch, so this is it, right? It has switched to a different account. This is different account now. If you look at this, you'll see that it's actually a different account now. If I want to switch back, I just have to do the same. Switch. And I've switched back to the previous account. So it's that simple and straightforward. If you want to switch your account on Discord, that is how you go about it. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like and share as well. Thank you and see you in the next one.